How to set gig pricing and packages on Fiverr. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your Fiverr account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Become a Seller from the drop-down menu if you haven't already set up your seller profile. Once your seller profile is ready, go to the seller dashboard, click on Create a new gig or edit an existing gig. Next, go to the pricing section. Fiverr allows you to create 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each package can have a different price, delivery time, and set of services. Start with the basic package. Set a reasonable price and delivery time, including the core services buyers will receive. Then create a standard package with more features or faster delivery and set the price slightly higher. Finally, design the premium package with your most comprehensive offering and the highest price. Make sure your pricing is competitive and fair, especially if you are just starting. Clearly explain what buyers will get in each package so they can choose the one that fits their needs. You can also offer gig extras like faster delivery or additional services to increase earnings. Once all packages are set, review your pricing and details, then click Save or Publish. Your gig is now ready to attract buyers with clear and professional pricing options. Now you know how to set gig pricing and packages on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.